Hello, today I am going to be doing another yarn review for you. So, welcome everybody. It's Lisa here. Today I am going to be reviewing the Studio Classic by Nicole. This yarn is from Premier Yarns. Before I begin, I just want to let you know that these are solely my opinions and I am not affiliated with any yarn company or YouTube. So, the first thing I want to look at is the fibers of this yarn. And you can see when you unravel it is actually three strands of yarn together and they're nicely thick. The top picture over to the right is the fibers before the wash and the bottom is after the wash. So you can see that they're relatively the same. There isn't a lot of fuzzing or pilling on them. And also, the one thing that I do like to look at is how the fibers look and hold up before and after the wash. I did really like how these fibers held up. They had a nice softness to them. As I was doing the swatches, they were a teeny bit splitty, but not too bad. So I would say that working with this yarn would be rather easy. Another thing I like to do is I like to wash one of the swatches. So the swatch on the top was before the wash and the bottom one was after the wash. And I forgot to take a picture of the two swatches before I put them into the wash, but trust me, they were the same size. And there was a tiny bit of shrinkage, not even enough to really mention. So these washed up very well according to the instructions on the package for washing. And as I'm making the video, I am holding the two swatches in my hands just to let you know the feel of them. There's no such thing as feel-o-vision, but you'll have to trust me on this. They do have a really nice softness to them. So I could see making something that you would put close to your skin with these. So I really do like them. They have nice stretch in them. So I would recommend this yarn. Next, I want to get into the details of the yarn, and I've actually written this out so in case you ever want to refer back to it, you don't have to listen to the entire video. So, this skein of yarn is 372 yards, it's 7 ounces, it's 100% acrylic, and it's made in Turkey. It is a really nice for medium weight. The knitting needles are a US 8 5 millimeter and the recommended crochet hook is a 5.5 which is a USI. The washing instructions are to wash and warm and to tumble dry low, which is what I did for my swatches, and they turned out really nice. So from the Premier website, I purchased this yarn. It was a retail listing of $3.49. Like I always say, I never pay full price. I'm always looking for a coupon. So what this equates out to is 0.009 cents per yard. In the scale that I use to put the yarns in different categories, the pricing on this would be more to a lower or a value-based yarn, and it is really a nice yarn for the price. Like I said, it's very soft, it works up nicely, it washes well. It is a tiny bit splitty, but not even enough to notice too much. It does have only three strands in there, but they're nice and thick strands. So I would really recommend this yarn. Definitely for the price. Can't beat that. And for those looking for a nice value yarn, this is definitely one of them. As I mentioned previously, this was bought from the premieryarns.com website. So if you enjoyed this yarn, go ahead and give them a check out. I do love Premier Yarns. If you've watched my videos, you probably already know that. I do want to thank you so much for taking the time to be with me today as I review this yarn for you. If you have any questions or any comments that you'd like to make, please leave them down below. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.